If you're sick of only having selfies on vacation, we can help with that. Hi, we're Photowalk Nashville, a professional photo shoot and walking tour experience where we take your photos at iconic locations and murals, share personalized recommendations, and capture your memories in Nashville. Plus, we give you posing ideas and direction to help you feel confident in front of the camera. We have experiences for everyone, like our Nashville Insider Tour and photo shoot in the trendy Gulch neighborhood, home to the famous Wings mural and popular stores like Winky Lux and Kittenish. On the 12 South Photo Walk, we take you to more famous murals and explore this charming neighborhood with boutique shopping and great dining. If you're celebrating your bachelorette party, we have an award-winning must-do experience that's perfect for you to make memories with your friends. We also have a romantic couple shoot, which is perfect for anniversaries and proposals. Our experiences are great for celebrations, especially if you're looking for a unique birthday party activity for any age or just for fun. The best part, all of your photos are included and delivered within a week. Y'all, we have over 1,000 5-star reviews. We know how to have a good time. This will be the highlight of your trip to Nashville, so what are you waiting for? Book your photo walk experience right now. We'll see y'all in Nashville.